Listen, I'm gonna do better with this. What's today? Day 10? Today's day 10, and I'm gonna take you guys with me while I go to the mall. Just browse around a bit. Think I'm gonna change my wig. Not quite sure yet, but stay tuned. What time is it? It's 9:30 in the morning. 9:30. So let's go. I need to get my fluids checked because why is my car whining? I'm definitely gonna come back when it's light. Parked cars, conversations. That's what I should have did. I haven't been to the mall in a while. I'm kind of a minimalist sometimes when it comes to clothing. No, that doesn't sound right, but I don't know. I used to run track, so I used to wear a lot of athletic wear, and I kind of got used to wearing like athleisure or athletic clothes as leisure clothes, and I'm just starting to kind of branch out from that. Wow, you know, so many years later, but I don't know, like once you're used to something and comfortable with something, it just kind of sticks. Of course, I put on your everyday average clothes, but for the most part, yeah. You gonna let me over? Okay. I'm wearing athletic clothes and not even going to the gym. How that sound? I need to get over 2 more lines, people. Sorry. Not sorry. My car has these protective features, which I love it, but sometimes it gets kind of aggravated. Very appreciative for it, but if you get too close to a car, it'll kind of brake for you. And I'm kind of like, I wasn't even a car length close to that car, y'all. Like, please don't do this to me. Mall doesn't open until 11, so me like a dummy forgot to look. So let's go shop at Wally World while we wait. Wally World, Target, you know, it's all the good places to go. Okay, let's pass the spot. Let me, okay. My daddy taught me how to park right. I don't need those backup cameras, but I like it. This is so cute. This is exactly why you try stuff on. So cute, it does not fit. Walmart, y'all, check it out. $15. This would be so cute for a background. Like, that's exactly how they have it. That'd be so cute. I have this. It's crap. No. Yes. I'm literally wasting time, y'all. I love looking at decorations. I'm big on wrapping paper, gift bags, stuff like that. OMG, like something as simple as this, I love it. I'm actually going to get another one. That was kind of broke. Owls are everywhere. Ornaments. So I am about to wrap up this Vlogmas video. Do not get me. Listen, I was I was running behind schedule. Like, I wanted to start on December 1st, but that was a quick little what I did within the past 7 days. I'm so excited to take you on this Vlogmas journey with me. This is my first time doing Vlogmas. And a lot of like information and telling you guys some inside like scoops of this journey of being a hair influencer, micro content creator. Get ready with me, date nights, Christmas themed things, doing our hair, chit chat, girl talk, wine dine Wednesdays. Like, let's do that. Chat it up with me down below. What do you guys want to talk about? What do you guys would like to see on this Vlogmas journey? I'm open to suggestions because the creativity does not stop here, people. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go now, but I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, beauties.